How's everyone doing? Another day, a new week, guys. Coming into the training week. How's everyone feeling? We guys all had a wonderful weekend. How are we doing on YouTube? Everyone doing good on YouTube? Everyone doing good on TikTok? How are we doing, Raina? How are we doing, Lufunio? Chillo? How are we doing, guys? Melo? We have the recents. All people we usually see are here. That's good. That's good to see. All right, guys. We're about to have news in the next 30 minutes. We're gonna have ISM manufacturing. We're gonna see how that plays out. See if it shows any volatility. We had a good week last week, and today we just continue with our same plan, our same strategy, and we keep it 100%. Lufunia, how are we doing? How are we doing? How are we doing, Chillo? Everyone is doing well. Guys, we're looking at Nasdaq today. Same stuff here. The Nasdaq, the golds are going to be our top pairs. Then we're going to start looking at other pairs too. Okay, guys. So yeah, 30 minutes gonna have the New York Hill Zone is just starting right now. Okay, so we do have the New York Hill Zone which has just started, and we also have the red folder coming out in 30 minutes. We'll see how that improves the market, guys. Okay, guys, make sure we're also gonna do a free masterclass on the 4th of July. Okay, so also make sure you guys are part of that. Make sure you book your seats. Okay, guys, we're gonna have a free masterclass just teaching guys everything that I've been doing with my trading strategy. So it's better for you guys to actually follow along with a lot of the live streams. I think that'd be really good. Get on up to date with my trade. So make sure you guys are part of that. It'll be all in the community in the description. Okay, guys. How do you get access? Just message me, guys, and then I will reserve your spot for the masterclass. Okay, guys. All right. So let's start off with Nasdaq. Obviously, you can see that Nasdaq has been just moving right now in this little consolidation. But main thing I'm really interested in is in that Nasdaq has been pushing down since last week. Okay. Yesterday, the news event did show us this massive move to the upside. Okay. Yeah, and the Telegram also. Yeah, exactly that, Cello B. So yeah, guys, Nasdaq showed us this massive move last week, and then you started having this move back down. I see Nasdaq coming down all the way to this low point here as well. So we're looking forward to maybe start selling Nasdaq today. I was just following that. You know, we peaked above this candle range high, and then now we're starting to move to the downside. Okay. So what I'm looking at also is that we've also just broken off this high point here. Okay. Let's look on the lower time frame here. You can see we're having a massive push down here. Okay. And yeah, so price moving extremely bearish right now to the downside. Maybe we can find a re-entry on this move. We may have just been a bit late on this, but I mean, as I said, right, the news event is still gonna come out, and we still see maybe a lot more volatility kicking in at that time. I wouldn't say we have to worry about that. Yeah. We are also live on YouTube. How's everyone in the YouTube doing? Hope we are all doing well. Okay, guys. So you can see right now, Nasdaq is pushing down from this level. Okay, it is pushing down from this level very aggressively. I don't think it'd be good for us to enter in right now, because then we might just be entering over FOMO. We don't want that. A lot of the time with these massive movements, I can just reverse back up, okay, and take out a high like this. So let's just be patient, okay? This happened. This move did really happen, like literally as we started the live stream. We're just like a few seconds late to the move. That's all. We'll get more opportunities. You'll see a lot more opportunities later on, if the market does allow that for us. How are you doing, Jays, Joe? Wow. How are you doing, Trader? Hope you're doing well. Trader, are there any moves you're looking for? I think you said GJ, right? Yeah, GJ is still moving to the upside. Really, really good right now. Mimi, how are you doing, Mimi? This would be kind of close bearish, guys, okay? Also, very important thing to note out there. It was extremely bearish there. Now let's take a look at gold quickly. Let's see what gold's doing. Gold. Okay, now gold's making that move to the upside, really. Gold caught us off guard in the last few seconds of market close on Friday. But we move on. It is a new week. We do see that we have been pushing up here. Once we broke this level, once we broke this level, right, we just started seeing gold expand to the upside. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time from here. Same thing here on gold. We do have that news event coming out in the next 30 minutes. Yeah, gold's moving really interesting. I think very interesting moves here. Turtle soup this high, okay, and right now we also have this untapped liquidity above this high point. Okay, I do see price reaching this area. Let's look on the daily time frame. Yeah, so this is essentially what we're looking at on daily, right? We took out this candle low and then started pushing high, so we might actually reach the candle high. So I'll be looking to have a bullish bias on gold today, just for the news event. Also tapping into this 1 hour order block here. I'm starting to flip bullish here. Looks like we're about to flip bullish. But this kind of closes in the next 30 minutes. Okay, so also close it like around the same time as when we do have that news event. Okay, so I have to be very careful about how this kind of moves. Okay, this is gold on the 1 hour time frame, guys. Using 30 minutes, and we have PMI kill zone. Okay, we're flipping bullish on this. So this kind of close. Maybe we can get in like a fair value cap entry, maybe something like over this over here. But I do want to target like maybe these areas here on gold. We do have massive areas here on gold that are very interesting. Deep price make. Okay, and let's see where we are coming from on gold. Nothing is aligning to. Mostly taking out. Okay, so like a dynamic trend line there. We do have a turtle soup also here. Also this prior liquidity being taken out. Okay, so yeah, gold's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good right now. We're also having this trend line tap here, so that's going to be very interesting to see how price reacts. Hopefully, as I said, guys, we do see gold coming to like a level like this, okay, where we can then enter targeting higher. This is definitely something I'm looking forward to have on gold. Okay, trader says he's waiting for UCHF for the month swing, and then reaction off the month FAG, waiting for data confirmation. Yeah, definitely. I'm also looking at UCHF. It has been giving us massive shouts. In really good positions. Careful here. I'm gonna give our stop loss a bit of room here. Okay. Yeah. Gold's looking good for long-term buys. Okay. Maybe the all-time high. Most probably. But I think we might just like take out till this short-term high. I think that's like a good first profit target. Okay. That is if we do get that retracement down. Okay. So we're still gonna wait for that. And our price is really pushing. Well, this 5 minute zone does look a bit juicy though. I think we'll just move it up to this 5 minute area. Over there. Looking like a solid reaction. Definitely looking like something I'm looking forward to. Gold. Let's see if price does come back to us though. The gold showed us a quick move for us. Okay, I've just sent what I'm looking at in the communities. Okay. As I say, guys, still be cautious of the news event that may happen soon. So I may hold out on this till we see how news reacts, because news can just obliterate us, and it happens in the next 20 minutes. So let's just keep on waiting. Still waiting on news release here. Executing the silver bullet. Yeah, I may make a video on the silver bullet, because I don't really use the silver bullet religiously, but I see a lot of people ask me about it. But I know this, I'm not really using silver bullet. I'm using more so the turtle soup. yeah, the total soup model with the CTR model. But let's see, how are we doing, Davin? Nice to see you once again. Guys, gold's actually pushing up from here. Gold's pushing up proper. I actually wanted to come into above our discount areas. But we may say come back. As I say, guys, nothing solidified just yet because we still have that news coming out. So might end up seeing price do a move from there. Okay. I'll still be very patient. Be very patient with this one. I don't rush this one. Yeah, that's what we're waiting for on gold, guys. The level that we are looking at, okay, is the 238. Okay. Price is reaching this area very fast. We're seeing price struggle a bit at this area, but I think it may just fully break through it. We're getting a bit of wavering on price action, yeah. Yeah, that bullish can just flip bullish right now. As soon as it tapped into that order block, as soon as it tapped in there, it just started flipping. So bullish strategy, no guys. The normal strategy I trade every single day with you guys. Yeah, we're seeing the hourly candle flipping bullish here. Remember once he started the session, right? It was sort of indecisive. Now it's really just showing its true color that wants to continue the upside. I do see it absolutely reaching this high. Okay, definitely. Yeah. As I said, we do have the news event coming out in the next 20 minutes, 20 odd minutes, 50 minutes. We'll see how that, if that has any other reaction to maybe make gold flip over. IG, man. So yeah, man, we're looking at this trade on gold. Okay, let's potential move on gold to the upside. Wait, you said you were looking at USDCHF, right? I think we'll take a quick look at that soon also. Price is testing this area very aggressively. General direction, I'm looking for gold to expand to the upside as it is doing right now. I think this expand to the downside is probably like the London session, but overall I do see us continuing this bullish trend on your gold. Gold's long term. Gold's looking back on bullish. It's really testing this area. It's testing this area right now. Maybe based off that, we might see like a little push back down once again. Dpon says, I see a sort of pattern on the 4-hour time frame. What type of pattern? All I really see, guys, is just maybe the most basic one would be the impulse retracement, impulse model, deep retracement, and then now price making like a new impulse to the high. Generally just looking at the base market structure. I will also have turtle soup this low point, which is also very good to see. Yeah, now we've just broken above that point. That's right, yeah, we've reached that high level. In the start of the new week, gold definitely showing its colors now. So this type of buy that we're actually looking for. We're looking for this type of buy on Friday. Just that price was being a bit stubborn, but it's happening now. As I have said, guys, just make sure there's no crazy commissions or slippage on your accounts since news might be coming out. We don't know how some brokers react to news, so just be aware of that. Huge shorts from the 1 hour FEG. Let's see. Huge shorts from the 1 hour FEG. It's shorts, right? Massive weekend gap here. Oh, I see you talking about this one. Like around in this area. The price has tapped into it. But you see there's also like a bit of liquidity just above these highs too. The price may come and tap that too. So let's see what the inch model is though, because if I haven't tapped this area, there's a 41 area that we didn't end up tapping. There was a 41 area that we did end up tapping, and then we have swept this low point here, and then we still have this high here. It's also like a nice little turtle soup model that I want to get into. Just that this weekend gap too is not the most convincing to have. But a good thing is this is in stocks, but stocks, yeah, we usually see price make a quick tap into these areas, fill it out, and then start going higher. But yeah, that may be a possibility for EU. But yeah, man, you were saying you're looking for a bearish move, right? I mean, price could reject off of like one of these lower time frame zones, PDRAs, like here. But yeah, I just also see that there's a bit of liquidity above these highs here on EU, so I may be also inclined to look for a bullish move. That's only if price does give it to us. I mean, what are we doing right now? We're doing on the 1 hour time frame, right? We're doing like a CTR model here. It's 4 hour. 4 hour candle, okay. Very interesting. Look at that. We flip bearish for a bit though. But this is the reaction off of the zone. This is just the reaction off of the zone. Okay, so we'll see how that moves. Today's FEG. I see here was a gap in EU, then we see price came and refilled that area. That's why I'm not too fond of this little gap here. We might see prices short down, so and that would be good for the short, right, trade? If you're looking for your short, maybe good for to target around in this area to see price fill out this area. So yeah, so I'm looking at on EU. See what gold's doing. Gold's still pushing up. Gold is still pushing up. Gold is massively on the buy side right now. I don't know, easy in 10 minutes. Maybe you might see a flip bearish, but I don't think that might. I think price just may use that new volatility just to continue going higher. There's a very high chance that prices does that. Very high chance that prices does that. Continuing to the upside on gold. We'll see if gold comes down. So ideal if gold comes down so we can like catch another re-entry. That move's already happened. Okay, so alright says, what about sells on gold? It might sell on news. Interesting. That's a fair claim to make, right? On the other side, you could look at it like seeing this as a change of character. Price coming to this area as like a bearish order block, right? And price moving down lower. I think we did have our good fair share of bearish moves on gold yesterday. Once we took out this false high, we had this initial reaction down here. From here on, I think gold is going to continue higher. Like fill out these gaps here in price. Like I did previously, right? Major gap in price, okay? Major gap in price. Over here, major bearish gaps, and then price slowly took its time, hold out that area, then I was making a new bearish gap. Okay, so at least to fill out that new high point, okay? We definitely may see gold do that. But let's not rush, guys. It's still a new week. It's gonna be massive opportunities later on. So gold starting to wick that point. Let's see what's happening on the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame. Ooh, we're having price push down. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if this is good. It's happening in 5 minutes. Let's see what DXY does, okay? Let's look at the DXY. That's also very important. We're always looking at DXY, guys. For that extra confidence of the dollar index. Bad massive moves. All right. XY, same thing here. Swept out this trend line. Look at this here. Good to see. Okay. And just tap into the zone. Okay, right here. Okay. 15-minute time frame. We're looking solid for a bullish move here on the low time frame. Definitely. What's happening on the higher time frame, 4-hour time frame of DXY? Where are we in terms of price? Taking out a major low. We have not taken out a major low yet. We are reacting from a major 4-hour zone though. We have taken out an hourly low point too. Okay. I know DXY is looking solid for a bullish move, guys. Looking solid for a bullish move. I think that it may, looking at what price showing me right now, I think we may see DXY move to the upside, which means there is a probability that gold could move to the downside since they sort of work opposite to each other. See this. Some stuff here, bearish trend line, price is reacting from. We may flip bullish here. Okay. High probability that we may flip bullish. Okay, so at least we've done our homework on the DXY index. Okay, so we may see a bullish move here. Okay. Yeah, I've also been following this manipulation move on the downside. I probably the price is going to expand to the upside. Let's take a look at gold. Looking at that, I'll be very cautious with this. I'll place this side here and see how price moves on news release. Really position like this, you want to see it actually TP before news, but okay, we didn't really have that, so I'll just place on the side before and see how news reacts. Happens in the next 3 minutes. Guys, before we have news, what are the polls? What are the predictions for news release? Some people say sells on gold. What's the YouTube saying? On the AVG, on the weekly, on the DXY. Interesting. Very interesting. I can't remember what happened to the CAT CHF trade from last week. That eventually hit TP. That's one of the longer trades that we've taken. But yeah, it eventually hit TP once we were ending off last week. Wait, remove this. Okay, guys. I'll still be very cautious about the buy just because what the DXY was showing me massive moves to the upside. So we may see gold to the opposite of that. What's Nasdaq doing? Let's take a look at Nasdaq before news comes out. Okay, yeah, Nasdaq just kept blowing down. Didn't even come back for re-entry, just kept on moving down. Yeah, it eventually hit that point. Alright, what time is this? This is 8:30. I mean the 9:30. This was the 9:30 candle. Yeah, massive moves. Okay, so yeah, news release just happened. That's massive slippage on a lot of brokers. What DXY is doing. Yeah, DXY disrespected this. Disrespected this entire. It should be good for gold then. Yeah. A bit indecisiveness from the market though. But I can see where it came to, right? It came down to this area, wick below, and started having a sharp move upward. Obviously, I have an early trade on gold today. Let's see if market keeps on continuing with this, right? Tap into our zone. Let's see. I don't know. Type of this channel which I'm not really a fan of. I may withhold from this, even though it has a bullish move here. This trend line, it showed us flames last week. It showed us why we shouldn't be trading something like this, because there's a high chance the price can just manipulate this entire area. But yeah, we learned from last week. I'm not willing to make the same mistake this week. I need to see this trend line get taken out on young gold before I actually execute. I'm not in a rush to get into position. It's still the start of the week. I'd rather pursue my capital. Napgun trading, how are you doing? But a lot of up and down here on gold. Up, down, up, down. A lot of that just happening right now here on gold. Nasdaq's in a Nasdaq pushed down low. We wanted to get in around here, but then before we could even get the hands has just shot down. But I think it may make like a sharp recovery from here. Probably. Just looking at what the DXY is doing, right? DXY just shot down completely. You can definitely see the news doing its part right now. Massive wick here on DXY. Yeah, Nasdaq, I'm still expecting that to have a bit of bullishness. At least short-term bullishness, right? Like what it's doing right now. Short-term bullishness. What was the news candle? At this point, that was like highly volatile. 4-hour time frame. Okay, no, this is good though. This is good for Nasdaq. It's reacting off the 4-hour order block over here, off the body of that. Daily, one more time for higher. And if we're looking closely, move all of this, okay? Clear up our charts here on that. It's fully clear our charts here on Nasdaq, okay? So right now, Nasdaq, plain and simple, is that we are above this high point, okay, and below this low point, okay. So this is sort of like our range in price. And what we're doing now, looking at this previous daily candle, we've just shipped at the low point, okay. It's very good. We have this low point and we have this low point that has been both been swept out, but this high point is untapped, okay. So if we're looking for gold Nasdaq to sort of reach higher from here, looking that we just before we had a bearish move, we're tapping into this 4-hour order block just by the body. Nice tap of that, aligning also with this little bar zone here. So looking good for buy. If you guys are asking me about Nasdaq, yeah, I'm saying that I'm looking for a full-on buy from this. Added with this sell side liquidity also above the highs. It's looking much more clearer than gold. Okay, it's definitely looking much more clearer than gold. I'm definitely looking forward to find like a position here. If price does give us a good entry model, I'm definitely looking to take advantage of that. Yeah, that's Nasdaq. That's Nasdaq what it's showing us. Also a nice false breakup setup too. I like this little double bottom that price just took out here. So looking solid on Nasdaq. So you guys, we're just being a bit more patient, letting our eyes really adjust and see the other opportunities that we can be a part of, instead of just running into like one position. So there we go. Look at that massive wick on the 4-hour, right? Just showing us the bullish intention that's really putting in right now. Okay, we must have saw a move, but the bullish move is definitely looking much more cleaner. So right now we're trading post news as we always do. Okay. NY goes over number 2. Okay, so how's everyone on the YouTube doing? What are we saying, guys? Okay, 1 minute time frame. Okay, let's just depth. Not really showing us an entry model just yet. We're gonna have to be a bit patient. Things gonna make us wait. I'm willing to wait for entry on that. As long as it comes before price reaches this high point, I think would be very good for a trade. Okay, so as long as Nasdaq doesn't reach this high point before tapping our entry or before giving us the entry, it will be very good for a bullish move here. Chocolate drop. Can we enter NAS? Well, do we wait till 16:15 at least? I'd say that's always the smart thing to do, especially with post news events. Okay, as I said, I'm still waiting for NAS to show me a move. Yeah, okay, I'm definitely looking forward to it. And we say gold up to 2360. Okay, guys, I'm seeing a lot of predictions. That's very good. That's very good. Okay, I like to hear everyone's else opinions. Let's make sure also. Yeah, gold is reacting from our zone from our initial entry, right? But as I said, guys, the one thing that made me like really back out of this position on gold was the trend line right over here. Okay, because with us last week, you saw that we actually took a loss because of a similar situation like this. Okay, so I'd rather not have us, repeat the same mistakes. Okay, that's not growth. We want to really focus on avoiding a lot of these stuff. So even though it is sort of reacting in our favor right now, I still wouldn't be inclined to enter at this point. As I said, if gold comes down quickly and like makes a quick sweep, okay, of like any of these points, it's probably like this low here, okay, and then yeah, I'm looking to target gold higher. As someone said, they're also looking for 236, which is like above here though. I think that's the most recent high point, maybe. No, this is the most recent high point. This is always going to be a safe target for any buys. Okay, safe targets for buys would be around this point. Yeah, make sure guys, everyone, make sure you're part of the community, guys. Okay, we go live every single day. 9:30 EST, guys. And as always, guys, also make sure to DM me so I can reserve your spot for the free masterclass. Okay, guys, we're gonna have a free masterclass on the 4th of July, just showing you guys how I specifically trade. So everyone's gonna be up to date and actually do join a lot of the lives. Okay, you can actually understand why I'm getting into this position, or why I'm sort of backing out of like a position like this on gold. Then again, also see, look at this up and down movement, up and down movement. What's EURUSD doing? Ooh, look at that wick, guys. Look at that wick. It's a massive wick here on EU. But it's funny enough, it didn't actually fill out the zone. I'm actually surprised about. I'm actually really surprised about that. UCHF was, I think Trader was looking at that, giving a good reaction, good little retracement model here for the zone. I don't even be looking to take UCCHF high though. I'd say like a good place would just be around here, around the 50% of that wick. But yeah, UCHF reached literally all the targets for last week. All the bullish targets for last week, they all got reached on UCHF. Maybe UCCH might give us a reaction or like entry model. Not really seeing it yet though. But NASDAQ looks very solid. NASDAQ looks very solid. 615 is a good time to wait for. But yeah, now we're getting retracement. Coming down on NASDAQ, which I like to see. Let's see if this connected to any other areas that price may can make out. I wouldn't say it's as visible. Only thing that might cross over, okay? Only thing that might cross over here with NASDAQ probably like this little equal low point here. Price may come down and target this area. But other than that, I think there's a lot of stuff that's in our favor, especially this trend line. Okay. There's also like the big juicy candle that price just made before news release. Let's see if NASDAQ starts having a bullish reaction from this point. You can do either one or two things: sweep out this low, or it can start moving up from here. Let's see. Remember, we have just come to the 4-hour zone too. we're coming very aggressively into that zone. I think we may just sweep it out. Okay, swept at the low point. Let's try to make any other reactions lower though. I'm still gonna watch NASDAQ. However, it just kind of disrespected my first buys that I did have on it. So I'll be a bit more reserved with this position on NASDAQ. It's gonna have to show me a lot more for me to actually consider entering maybe another position here. Like entering a position for this. Even gold hasn't done anything yet. Gold's still going up and down, yeah. Still going up and down. But still hasn't reached taking out this trend line. I said I want to see gold take out that trend line. But you can see it sort of just keep on bouncing up and down from that point. It doesn't bounce up and down from that point. Okay. Yeah, gold's still doing his thing. We're gonna wait out. We're gonna wait it out. And keep on seeing. Remember though, guys, still a post news event, so we don't have to rush in for anything. We're seeing a flip bearish on this 50-minute candle. But we're gonna see how it closes, because it closes in the next 40 odd minutes. Also swept out the previous high. I want to see this kind of close bearish. I want to see this kind of close bearish. I want to see the 50-minute candle close bearish. The price does do that. Yeah. Still wicking, still like a major indecisive candle. Wang wants to enter. He says come enter gold. I wouldn't recommend it right now, guys. I wouldn't recommend it right now. Gold's still very indecisive at this point. Still very indecisive at this point. I'd say just hold off the trigger still. Hold off the trigger. Yeah, exactly. We still need a solid confirmation. We haven't gotten that yet. See, gold's still hopping up and down. Guys, not giving us that solid confirmation that we need to execute. Literally all I'm waiting for on gold is just an entry model. Okay, this candle sort of going down. So literally for the last 15 odd minutes, you just been seeing gold like literally just playing at this trend line, and I think it's literally just trying to accumulate a bit more buys into this point, and then we may have a major sweep. Okay, so we may have see something like this, like what we had, big push up and then like a push back down. High probability that may happen. As I say, guys, still being very patient, still being very, very patient, guys. There's no need for us to rush. We've just started off the week. And people are a bit excited. They just came from a weekend. They're trying to recover all the money that they spent on the weekend. How was everyone's weekend? Did everyone enjoy it? Got some time to rest off the charts? Watch how this kind of closes. Flipping up and down. We're still waiting on the candle closure, guys. Candle closes in the next 10 minutes. Yeah, let's wait for 10 more minutes and see if gold closes bearish on this candle. BKR. What's that? I'm not sure what the BKR is yet. Oh, is that our breaker? Oh yeah, goes at our breaker. Yeah. Literally. It's still playing around at the zone. I'm seeing this flip bullish, this bearish move here. Okay, this is good. This is good. Waiting on gold to do something like this. Literally the same thing that happened last week. It showed like a bullish move for this trend line, and they started to flip bearish. Yeah, I had to be a bit skeptical with gold's move today. I have to be very cautious, okay? I'm having it pushing down now. Yeah, there we go. Now it's taking out the trend line. This is good. Now all I have to see is maybe gold show us in a good bullish signal. And then I think I can follow my long-term bias on gold. So yeah, the Boho can form a sweep with that bearishness. Yeah, that's literally what it's doing right now, which is good, which is very good. Yeah, initial reaction nearly caught us here, nearly caught us in this initial move here. Right now we're just a bit patient. Now we can see price showing its true intentions. Maybe after this 9 might show us like that full-on true bullish move. Okay, I just see how like 30 minutes before news had like a massive push up, but then overall we had the move down. And now we're seeing literally, yeah, proper bearishness entry now. Let me come take out this entire point. The predictions has, and I think it most probably I take out this entire point. Now let's see, man. I see the good thing about being patient, yeah. Could have got trapped over here. We just had to step back a bit. Like, yeah, NAS is sweeping, exactly. But NAS is sweeping. NAS not done it. I know gold did the sweep. NAS also done the sweep. Oh yeah, now that sweep's happening. When did this happen? Okay, happen right now. Focusing a lot on gold. We didn't even realize NAS was doing the move. But yeah, it is. But it's moving so fast. Don't know. But maybe we might get like a favorite gap entry here. Maybe a bit risky, but yeah, when Nasdaq does this, it just doesn't come back. I think I'll just get in something like over here on Nasdaq around this point. Hopefully. Yeah, Nasdaq's doing a massive move right now. I want us to get around over here. Let's see. But no, what candle is this? This is the 5 minute and opportunity candle. Closes in 5 minutes. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. 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 Yes. It's done 3 liquidations, literally. 1, 2, 3. I think it's prepared to do the massive move now. Nasdaq. Just that it needs to give us the entry. That's the only thing that we need from Nasdaq right now. It's done 3 sweeps. It's following that bullish price. I just don't see us having entry yet. That's the only problem. We may have to miss this move on Nasdaq, but if it does give us entry, I don't know. I really don't know. Let me see like 40% of this candle. The most I can do, yeah, for entry on NAS is like right over here. But the price comes short or not, I mean, that's the only place I can actually see an entry. That would at least give like a positive risk reward. It's the only place on Nasdaq. The reaches here or not, that's solely dependent on it, but that's what I'm gonna have on Nasdaq for today. Yep. But tell me guys if I will update you guys if I see there's a better entry right now. Knowing NAS's volatility after like making 3 liquidations, I think this is like the best entry we can sort of have. Don't know the price to tap us in, but we'll just have to wait and see, right? Properly making it faster find it. Oof. Even though we don't get like this first move, we can also get like the re-entry after. So not really worried per se. I've just sent you guys what I'm thinking on NAS. All right. So let's see. All we have to do is wait for NAS to see if it taps us in. That's the only thing that we can do now. Sit on our hands and wait. Chocolate Drop says I'm counting on NAS. NASDAQ. Oh my days, look how the DXY moved. The DXY, look what the DXY did. That's crazy. Black and sassy with this entire point. But yeah, same thing really. False reaction at this trend line point. Has tipped out everything, just continued. What gold's doing? Gold doing the bearish move now. Okay. I think it's wicking. I think it's wicking a point. See, now, me and gold, we can talk, okay? Because it's taking out that trend line. I don't think there's anything else that like could be like a major hindrance. I don't think this would be too much of a problem though. Let's see. Okay. What's the footman can? How do it close again? Let's see how it closed. How the footman can close. It's not closed yet. Okay, it's gonna close in the next 30 odd minutes. But yeah, that's what I was literally waiting for, this kind of closure. So now you can see it's actually showing two intentions. Dun, dun, dun. Dun. Yeah, I went to OB, right? It's gone to an OB right now. Okay, yeah, not solid. Okay, so yeah, the kind of close bearish, happy, solid, happy days. Now let's see what's gonna happen and see if we can actually get an entry on gold. Yeah, now I'm interested. Probably interested now. Right. Let's see what gold holds in store for us. And yeah, trading NAS did the sweeping, also gold did the sweeping. Now we have to wait for his like intro to see what happens. This is what S&P is also doing, because that's also in higher correlation on NAS. S&P also did like a sweep of two lows, this one and this one. I don't think we see any divergences. I don't really see any solid divergences here. Like Nasdaq also took out this low point, so I haven't had a major divergence in price. Usually it's good to see one though. Are they following each other? Yeah, they should. Remember guys, master classes on the 4th of July. Okay guys, make sure you guys are followed that. Also live on YouTube. Okay, interesting. He's doing this. Is Nasdaq doing anything different? Do that. Oh yeah, no, Nasdaq also doing that. Doing the same thing. Dun-dun. What we can do now is wait. Guys. Let's see Nasdaq come down for entry. What we can do. Thanks, Kutla1. No for the follow, man. Rain, how you doing? Looking for that deep retracement on us. It's probably tasting our patience today on a Monday. And as it didn't give us the chance to like mentally prepare. How are you doing, Brown? Thanks for the follow, man. Okay, we're shooting bearish here on Nasdaq, which is good. Push back up. We're gonna stick to our entry point. A lot of up and down happening, right? A lot of up and down. I mean, chocolate, yeah. For Nasdaq, we already have our buy limit, yeah. We already have our buy. I'm just waiting for price to sort of come into it. That's the only thing. I don't want to like chase price right forever, yeah. That's the thing with Nasdaq, also like just starts pushing. Doesn't make a lot of retracement once it make like all the liquidations. That's the only problem. That abolition is coming in now. That's Nasdaq moving. But so good, still start the week. Yeah, we have opportunities like this every single day. We get into buys. Guys, I already my buying limit is down here though. I'm waiting for Nasdaq to come down all the way here. Then start pushing up. There's a high probability that Nasdaq just starts shooting from here. So yeah, I remember say it's price still in within my zone on gold. Interesting. Gold's playing up and down right now. Gold's playing up and down right. Hmm. Really one of those moves. S&P just broke the low. Okay. I have to consider that as a divergence. Both of them. Because NAS hasn't taken out this low. Let's see. Remember that on S&P, right? This low is already taken out, but on Nasdaq it's been protected, so we have a little divergence in price right now. We see that if that's gonna bring immediate bullish intention on Nas. We're breaking our low. Okay. Human has a solid zone. Also have this solid orderblock here. Alright. Okay, let's just be patient for this one then. It's at the 6-2 level. What I have to just do now is just wait in it. Just wait. Gold's still bouncing up and down, so we haven't entered gold yet. Still sort of bouncing up and down. Like in a little consolidation, low range. That's still bouncing up and down. Can't really enter. We're still waiting on it. Is ADHD sweeping right now? Some type of sweep. I was waiting on AU. Got this open. Okay, gold sweeping lower though. Okay. Yes, that's made a move today. Look at that. Big move up, big move back down. Oof. Swept out a lot of people. If you're quick and caught your profits, then I think you're doing good. here, then just cut off here, then you start seeing the sell. But this is really what news really does. Quick move up, then quick the false move, and then the actual move. As we need to start looking at USD. We want a bit more. We really want to really start trading news. I mean, even like yesterday, last week's news, same thing. Quick move up, then quick false move. Another example of this, yeah. So happens so many times on the USD. False move, actual move. Okay. Yeah, there we go. False move, actual move. So I may start putting USD on grid list. I think we can remove GJ because GJ already made like major move. GJ already just continued to the upside. I'm gonna remove that. EU, what's EU? Looks like it's gonna come down to follow this gap. That'll be interesting. Okay. That'll be very interesting. I don't think it'll be a position for today. He like doing something. It's like up and down, up and down, up and down. You these ones. AU, okay, AU. It starts to reject this point. That'll be cool to see. CAD. Our USD already made the major move. NZUSD and that has already made it. I'll also give this on one watch. Okay, let's look at gold now. So gold, I'm looking to enter gold like right now. Yeah, because what I just did. I did that sweep up this low point. And the while now it just clears day what it's doing. It's a nice false break setup. I'm not gonna deny that. I'm gonna just get like a buy stop on gold here. Around here. Something as price sort of like breaks above that break block area. And stop loss is below here. Like a nice little reversal. And target high. Yeah, this is the actual move I'm looking for on gold. Discord. Nice little move. Price taps us in. We're looking forward to that. Okay, now we're seeing entries. Yeah, okay. Let me calculate my risk for this trade. Okay. This is 3 minutes, okay? So looking like prices entered 5%. Looking forward to seeing that. Plays out. If it just plays out properly. I'm wondering. I don't wanna be part of that thing. All right. That's me on gold, and now we just see what price does. What was that? Let's see. We nearly got into a buy stop, but we're still waiting. Gold's been tricky today. Yeah, gold's been a tricky one. It's been moving today. But let's see. Let's see if it triggers our buy stop. Also playing at like trying to trigger our buy stop. Oh, this is gold. My bad, guys. But you guys can see it over here. It's over here. Yeah, gold. So yeah, we're just waiting on it right now. Waiting for it to trigger the buy stop. Just waiting for it to trigger the buy stop. So let's see how gold progresses. Guys, make sure everyone on TikTok right now, make sure to start moving over to the YouTube guy, guys. Looking to transfer onto YouTube. Continue because I'm going to end up the TikTok live soon. Okay, so I've seen everything in the community, guys. Everything's in the community already. We'll just see. All I have to do is just wait for price to do its thing. We've done our part now. We can't do anything more than this. We can just let price do whatever. Oof. Let's see. How's the new gate, guys? How are we doing? What's happening downstairs? Been following you on Telegram, very impressive. Appreciate the support, man. Love having you guys there. Alright guys, as I said, make sure to start heading over to the YouTube, guys. We're gonna start continuing from there, guys. As I said also, guys, make sure to be part of the free masterclass, guys. We'll be happening on the 4th of July. As well as be part of the communities, guys. Yeah, now just wait for price to do his thing. We've done it, we've been patient, so at least on that half, be proud of ourselves. So how are we doing, guys? So we finally got into some positions. All we have to do now is just wait. Has to do its thing. Gonna stay patient as always. Nothing's changed on that behalf. I will update you guys if I see anything different change up. That's it, guys. Make sure you follow the YouTube live stream, guys. We are live on YouTube right now, guys. The Novo Legacy. peak, so I just follow that bullish path. Up. Okay, so I think you've had your fun now. Start calming down. Calm down now. That's what Nasdaq is doing. And Nasdaq actually came to tap us in. Came to actually tap us in. Patience, guys, patience. There we go, guys. Patience. It actually came back down. We're looking at it pushing up here, but you know, price they eventually can make that retracement, which is good. I'm happy that everyone here stayed true to our words. Actually, stay patient for Nasdaq. Yeah. From now on, we've done everything to our utmost ability. Okay. We can't say anything at the end of the trading day that, you know, we made a mistake here or there. I think we fully executed our plan to the T. Yeah. Congrats on you guys. Congrats. You guys are on the right path to trading profitably. Okay, let's see now if price can at least respect our patience. Yeah, I'm kidding. The link is in the bio. Let's see if price can respect this, guys. Okay, we've done our part and being patient. Let's just keep on waiting, as we always do. That. Interesting. Those making interesting things. I guess some people just have the impression that you trade anytime. Patience is key to the right system. Exactly, guys. Exactly. That's all we have to do. So on our part, I think we did very well today. We did very well. I'm really proud of everyone here in the chat. Let's see if price can respect our patience that we've had so far. Okay. Please. Think you're making sweeps. S&P making sweeps or lows. Okay. Very interesting. What is Nasdaq doing compared to what S&P is doing? Are they really following each other's character right now? I think they're making divergences of the highs though. 5-minute highs or 1-minute highs. S&P is doing whatever it wants to do right now. This is all I can really say that's really sticking out to me. I think it's doing something soon, but it just hasn't broken above this high, really. But you can see having like this little trend line above here. So at least they're sort of following each other's structure. Oh, these guys. NFP. When's NFP, guys? I have NFP this week. Let's see. I have CPI tomorrow. CPI flash estimates tomorrow. Then we have FOMC. We have major news to this is unemployment claims with FOMC, with ICM, with NFP. Damn. That's mad. What's this, Wednesday, the 3rd of July? Yeah, guys, we'll see. We'll see what happens on Wednesday, guys. So they have CPI right after that too, on the 4th of July on Thursday, the masterclass day. And once again, and if unemployment rates, guys, today's a crazy week. Guys. Yeah. Hey guys, everyone, make sure you guys are part of the YouTube, okay, guys, because I will be ending off the TikTok lives, okay? All right, guys. Yeah. So we'll just continue from there, guys, really. Okay. All right, guys, how's everyone doing on the YouTube, TikTok? We'll be seeing you guys, as I said, tomorrow, same time. I'm gonna continue with the YouTubers. Okay, guys. But overall, guys, be very proud of yourselves in terms of, you know, keeping the patience. I think there's a lot of opportunities for us to get in early, but you know, we really kept our hands off the market, okay? And you know, that played out in our favor because there were a lot of manipulations, okay? Which is very good. So we avoided a lot of unnecessary losses, and now we're actually trying to position that actually in our favor now, okay? So we're patient for the position, we're going to position now. Now we're just gonna let price do its thing, and then we'll recouple again once again tomorrow. Okay, TikTok, I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, guys, 9 a.m. EST. Make sure you guys are part of the Telegram, guys. Make sure to book your spots for the free masterclass, and we'll see you guys once again. Just DM me, guys, or be part of the Telegram in the link in the bio, and the YouTube link is in the bio, guys. Okay, that's where you're gonna find us live on YouTube. Okay, follow to the TikTok. Let's focus on you guys on the YouTube. Yeah, you guys got my full-on attention. What you guys ever wanted. Just Vox's attention. But interesting to see because, yeah, no, this position really took its time today. How price progresses. It's still respecting this trend line on Nasdaq. I think we may have a breach of it very soon. Both this one and the higher time for 1 year. If I have to show you guys the entry model that we are using for this trade, it would have to be the false breakout setup. It's literally that entry model to the T, which is why that's the one for both gold and Nasdaq. That's literally the entry model that we use for both these trades. as you can see, this is what we're using today, right? This is what we're seeing on gold. We saw price break out the support, and we had this trend liquidity. Also, still creating more trend liquidity. It's still good for us. And then price having to like a high time PMI, change of character, then entry at the order block. That's literally the entry we're using for day to the T, right? High side liquidity, sell side liquidity untap, and then change of character with also another lower time frame liquidity being created. So that's literally what we're doing for this entry model. So that's what I'm saying. It was good that we actually waited, because this is actually much better. As well as with gold, right? Same thing. The support, liquidity on the highs, and then we started to see price now with the upside. Okay. There was also another trend line that I was a bit wary of, so we avoided this because remember last week we had a loss because of something like this. Okay, price chopped the trend line, we just got trapped by the initial position, as well as over here. But now we waited for price to sort of consolidate, breakout consolidation, and now start moving to the upside. So I'm really happy with what we've done here. I think we've played out good part. Why is the gold position so high in top right now? Yeah, I'm just going to position. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. As long as this percentage is correct, and then I'm not complaining. All right, but be right back, guys. Let me get some water, okay? All right, how are we doing? Okay. I feel so good. All right. Gold's moving okay, and Nasdaq's moving decent. And I don't know, you guys can take, I don't know if people actually thinking of this, but I'd say for gold, there's a good point to go break even. There's a good point to go break even on gold or catching some profits and continue. And then let the risk run. Okay. So how are we doing? How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? You still doing well? Yeah, S&P is also doing that move. Okay, also good to see. You can also take a look at DX. That's also very important to look. Right. Now, second part of being in a trade. First, you have to wait to get into the trade, then you also have to wait for the trade to play out. Either way, there's only two outcomes. It's either, kind of three, but main only two outcomes: TP or SL. So, simple as that. It kind of just relieves any stress that you have towards the trade. Okay, looking, Kabrami says gold, Chase is gold is flying, I'm on gold, and then Kabrami says looking, already booked some profits on the scalps and my main entry is still running well again. Wonderful. 15-minute inverse gap on FEG inverse on gold. 40 minutes after. Let me check that. Oh, that one? Yeah, plus also inverse this. Right. Disrespect to this bearish OB. I mean this bearish fair value gap. Which is very good. That's a very good spot to see. Yeah. We were slick with that because price still kind of wicking that trend line, so I'm gonna book some of my profits on gold though. I'm gonna book some of my profits on gold. As they always say, live to trade another day, no? I think we're still gonna have much more position, so yeah. Let's just book some profits on gold, okay? Just to add it. I think I'm still looking at this trend line. Price, even though it did do like a liquidation of it, there's always a possibility that price can just I'd rather just be safe and then like book a bit of profits. Still on Monday, still a start of week. Rather just protect my capital really. I'm not looking to hit a home runner yet. Okay. Also, gold just took out this kind of high. It was like a major point on gold. Got this kind of high. That's why I'm still looking forward to still reach this high point. It's taking out the trend line, which is good, but this news high, this week high over here, seems like it's gonna be a bit of a problem for Nasdaq. So it's either that then Nasdaq might do like a notice about this low too. Yeah, I would just wait. Kareem is like it's rash for me on gold. Nah, you good, man. Interesting. Nasdaq is wicking this around at this point. It's very interesting. Will it continue going higher from this point? I have no idea. Definitely price is coming above this high. I'm gonna get a lot more conservative. But overall though, Nasdaq has all the intention to reach this high point. Literally, because it's literally also a 9 day. I think what I'll do is, I already took up some on gold. I might just let like Nasdaq do its thing. Because Nasdaq is also proper on higher time too. I'd rather just do that. And then at least, we're building up the buffer for the week. Only thing dangerous about trading pairs that move the same at the same time, if they just all go to the downside, like you're taking a double loss. So that's also like good to keep that in mind. Yeah, looks like this candle is gonna close bullish, but I don't know. It's still a proper minute left. Still a good time left before it does. Yeah. We've just reached that high point on NAS, which is good. Very good. Easy. Oh, that's weird because DXY also still pushing up. That I don't really see that where we see the DXY gold and NAS all going up at the same time. It's like an anomaly to me. Usually they go opposite to each other. I mean, there are these rare occurrences also. I just told you everything in trading is solid. One thing we know that is solid is that our entry, TP, and SL, those are only solid variants that we have in this diverse market. Everyone enjoyed the YouTube video for this week though. Yeah, this week's YouTube video was on fair value gaps. The dumb money if fair value gap and the smart money fair value gap. You guys should definitely look into that also a lot more. We use that for today's fair value gap on the DXY. You can see price completely made a sweep and go. Stop and go setup. Yeah guys, but I'm looking forward to this week's masterclass. It's gonna be good to get the entire community together, all of us. And, you know, me just really showing you guys why I take some of these trades. Hopefully it's going to be a good learning experience for you guys too, as well as a growing experience for me. Also be able to like fully lay out my plan to others. Shows also like my understanding of what I trade. How are you doing on YouTube Trader? How are you doing, man? How are you doing, Kabirami? That's still doing good. It's a bit of a long trade, but we still have to wait for it to play out. All right. Nasdaq is making a bit of a weak rejection though. But I'm not gonna touch this one. Yeah, this one I'm not touching. I think I already booked enough from gold to allow me to not touch Nasdaq. But looking at it, it is also sort of creating this trend line, which I'm not really a fan of. Over here, there is though it was kind of discreet with it, but I can definitely see it forming out. I don't really like that. Right over there, there we go. Here's day for price. So one or two things can happen. Price one was probably definitely like make a move off of this and then break it low. Okay. Most probably are you seeing out this low point and then like using that as turtle soup to then go higher, or can just fully take out the position. But I think there's a high probability, right? I believe high probability that price can just still move all the way to actually first take out, like, you know, this double top with this channel liquidity. Those still lay untouched. Okay, so I think price also has intention to at least reach those areas. Does reach it with us? That's the main question. We'll see how that progresses. Or is it doing anything funny? Not really. I'm not too mad with gold. Okay, but let me. Gold may be trying to bribe me because it's also looking like it's creating a little trend idea. Third touch. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Here's a fourth touch over here. So same thing as Nasdaq. May just do move down, sweep out a low point, sweep out this low point, and then continue higher maybe. Most probably. But gold doesn't really have like a solid target like how we have on Nasdaq, right? Because we have this wick, but you know, those wicks, they can also do their own thing, right? But as well, yeah. See what happens. This is like a nice though. 1 to 2. Overall though, gold, I still see like we have firstly news, major impulse, getting all the sellers out. Okay, got buyers out over here, very good. But this high, I have a bit of trend line, which I can so see it forming out there around these wicks. Is it strong enough for price to really want to take it out? Not too sure. That's why I have like the target here at sort of like the false high. Okay, the predicted false high or the anticipated false high. Okay. Oh, good, bro. Hoping a great week ahead. Yeah, I mean, the week is starting off okay. You know, we're not gonna get too excited. But I'm not opposed to a week starting off like. Main thing was that we were patient, and then we got into a position that was part of our playbook. That's why I say, okay, yeah, we've started a good week, okay? Because we also a lot of areas that we avoided, okay? This was the main area that we avoided. We learned from last week, okay? Learned from last week's last trade. So Trey, what else are you looking at? I know you said USD-CHF, right? But I'm not sure what you were specifically looking at on USD-CHF. You have to like USD-CHF update it. In a trader's library, did you take both gold and NAS? Yeah, I took both gold and NAS right now. But I've taken a build profit off of gold. Okay, I've taken a build profit off of gold and gone break even on gold. But NAS, I'm not touching NAS. Letting that play out. What are you waiting for, trader? I think we're saying a USD-CHF sell. But no, I think we're talking about this buy. That's this buy area over here. Yeah, we're looking at this, right, trader? We're looking at as they're making this little movie, and then now we can see it's reacting for this. I'm not sure we got into this. I think we're also focusing a lot more on all that. In a trader's library, My man was telling us to have hope. Lovely, lovely, lovely. How are you doing, man? Did you get into anything for today, or are you still waiting? Haven't seen like that proper setup yet. Proper foamy. I hope you guys are enjoying the live stream. Hope you guys are enjoying. Start of your trading week. Hope you guys are following your plan as you should. Hope you guys have a solid plan too. All you have to say is just to stay out there for me. Proper. Honestly, I think I was also gonna probably like stay out for today. I just that, you know, we saw the setup form and then we just executed upon it. So we'll see what tomorrow brings also. Yeah, no, gold is acting funny today. Gold had a lot of areas that was sort of kind of trying to trap us into a trade, you know, into buying too early. But you know, we have to really stay patient, really hold back our emotions here today. So that's why I'm really proud of the entire live stream on both YouTube and TikTok. Now we waited, and now we know gold's doing this thing, okay? We've already booked some prophecy, we've already gone breaking, so we're happy, okay? Not happy, we're okay. So yeah. Didn't really like the price action, but that's different. I also wasn't liking gold today. And this mainly was like the main point we may have gotten into this area, but you know, I noticed this and I was like, yeah, let's hold out on this. Well, that's so interesting. Look what price is doing right now. It's like doing a breaking retest on this. No, don't know about that one. Let's see what price does. We've done our part now. We're just gonna let price do its thing. Okay. As like sort of made, I wouldn't really consider this. Is this a high point though? Does this break the previous high, or does this make like an equal high? Yeah, so like equal high. But no, that's a good model type. Talk LQ. That's always good to have. So, but we see that it made this triple that trend line low point, which is very interesting for us. Okay, let me at least add these trades to the journal though. The trade disk. It's a new month, yo. It's a new month, guys. It's a new month. Yeah, it's a new month also. I could have forgotten. It's the 1st of July. Which one did we get into first? We got into gold first, yeah. So we'll book gold first. Because the entry model was, where is it? False breaks it up. Okay. Yeah, dynamic. Those are things, two things that we used. This I would consider this like a continuation model. Okay. Yeah, market structure, market execution on that one. Confluences, right? Time very important. We don't really have any. Yeah, you don't need to be perfect. Okay, cool. All good, all good, all good. We're just doing like the booking for the day. Think rationally, not emotionally. There we go. Okay. Same entry model was false breaks. Same thing, continuation. No, we don't have dynamic trend line. Influences, yeah. Time, station liquidity, no, we didn't have that. Where this target liquidity, yes, we do have that. Correlation, we didn't really see any divergences, so. Okay. See. A lot up and down happening right now. Okay, so Katliwe Citro says, did gold change character? Let's say gold change character. I don't really think that it did. What do you mean, like bullish? Yeah. I'd consider like price going above this high as like a change of character. And then, damn, current city missed a trade on UC CAD. Literally gonna be a 1 to 3. It was UC CAD, UCC chat that we said we're looking at the orderblock. Which was UCHF though? But let's see what UC CAD did. That's mad. And today's trade moved crazy. What was the news release? No, the news release wasn't this volatile though. I'm pretty sure when price, this was 4 p.m. news release, right? It was bearish, and then price started riding to the upside. Yeah, so yeah, I took out this low point here. There we go. False move back down. Then you have, damn. But I think the move maybe on UCSF was better because like it was just tapped into a proper zone. But things we just couldn't see like a proper entry. That's the only problem. Like a sharp rejection then. Maybe yeah would have been okay. What time was this one? That was 6:15, right? 16:15. I think I would also been okay. What would we talk like? Maybe this high and go higher. But yeah, no, we'd definitely come to this high point. Yeah, the missed trade in it, but we move on. Tomorrow brings forth new opportunities, as always. What did EU do? Did EU fill out that zone? Okay, there we go. Now EU is filling out the zone. Because like this zone on EU is not just gonna stay unfold, right? At least you see it's filling out this area. Yeah, but you can see where I would consider gold change character on the 3-minute time frame. On the 3-minute time frame, we saw that change character on gold. These gaps, as always, comes for a lot. Wow, would we seen an entry for this? I guess this is okay. I wouldn't say it's like as good as our setups on as in gold. Kind of a shaky one, really. Because where was EU? What did EU take out? Wait, to be fair, right? EU took out this. I think it was like a turtle to counter trade model. Those don't always have the most probability. No. Who was it? It was Trader, right? Trader was looking at the 1 hour FEG on EU. I'm pretty sure. The price tapped into that, right? And then he gave us a reaction. Yeah. It was Trader. It was Trader. Oh, this man has been giving us shouts, man. Therefore, shout. But it's funny because we've never actually executed on it. I always agree with a lot of his biases, but we never find. It's always like gold and NAS taken out. Guys, I swear we need to start looking at other pairs, guys. We need to start looking at other stuff. Because gold and NAS is taking way too much of time. We can't give it all this attention. There's other pairs out there. I mean, like GJ did a proper move on Friday. That was also following our plan. I wouldn't say like first I don't really trade pairs. I trade like my strategy. I trade my entry models. I see them occurring on a pair, right? Then I'll probably execute. If it's like really properly shows a lot of confluences. But yeah, obviously trading a pair that you're familiar with is always a nice thing to have. I'm not one of those traders like 50, 100,000 tickers, whatever, and just kind of scrolling through everything. And that's why we have the YouTube chat here, right? That's why we have people like traders to like shout out some good stuff today, right? Yeah. What was 107? Oh, currently is more of a swing trader. They have 6 pairs there. Interesting. I feel like if you're a swing trader, you have like more symbols, because you don't really expect to have a lot of trades. You don't expect to see your setup occur as much, since it takes longer to form out. But that's very cool. Let's see EU, right? You're saying 10. I swear, guys, Trader has been on a streak, right? Because it was used. No, not used to see it. It was NZD CAD or something. I watched 20 peso swing. Yeah, that's what usually what happens, right? 107, 5549. Okay, there we go. Oh, you're looking at the one down. Yeah. Oh, that one. The price already like kind of reacted off of this, didn't it? Right? It reacted to this high point and then started rallying down. I thought it was talking about this one. This one, this one was unmitigated. It was like a prolonged reversal. It's very good, and also did like a 1 minute sweeper there. I'm coming to say, yeah, normally that's the case, but I prefer to keep it simple. Yeah, my man has evolved to like the simplicity stage in his trading, bro. He's involved into like the simplicity. He just wants proper peace. Looks at these 6 pairs. They show me anything. He's like, okay, cool. I'll execute on this one. You show him nothing for the day. Like, okay, I'll move on with my life. That's a good thing to have, because I feel like, if you starting off trading, right, you don't really have all the time just to dedicate fully to trading. Yeah, having like swing pairs, a few pairs of them. They don't really expect to be trading a lot. You don't have to like overly analyze every single day. You can like analyze like on Monday, then probably check again on Wednesday. As it's time into your area, like put an alert or something, But yeah, Forex feel comfortable. Must get out of your comfortability zone. Thing. But yeah, no, he trades. He gives us good shouts. There's good shouts. Hey, how many pairs do you usually trade though? Because I know you've gone from like EU today. The other day was like NZD CHF, right? A pair I didn't even know probably exists. I knew it was probably there, but I didn't really look at it. No, and then also Euro versus the pound. I really look at that for like if I want to get some sort of correlation for EURUSD and GBPUSD. That's what I look like, the Euro GBP. It's taking its time. But yeah, you guys remember, like in the start of the session, right? We're looking at this on NASDAQ, then we just kind of missed it. Then, you know, we just have to keep it pushing, right? We just keep on continuing. If it wasn't like a proposition, because as I said, this trend line, I wasn't a fan of it. Right? I wasn't a fan of it. I think there's a high chance that price is actually going to come and sweep out this high, most probably. A chance. The DXY just sort of confused me today, because the DXY just did not do anything that would normally affect these pairs like the NASDAQ and gold. So it was very interesting to see today's price action. It's a waiting position. I think maybe we're gonna leave this one go, just let it run, guys, and then we update it tomorrow. What do you guys think? What's the teacher saying? I'm looking into some futures currencies as well. Futures. This is the futures NASDAQ. Let's see. Let's try and analyze this, and maybe we could have gone to the same position that we did to our NASDAQ, right? So same thing. Yeah, we had this sweep here, which is very good. We had to tap into this order block right here. That's good. But we had two taps, okay? So first one was kind of like a false move, which we did have also on NASDAQ. Okay, so like I tap into this we're on the 4-hour zone. Let's look for the 4-hour zone. NQ, yeah, NQ. You know, this is a 4-hour order, okay? So we'll leave it like that. And what else do we have? What else do we have? And we have this gap. The price use its support. Same thing. They also have this double bottom. Double bottom. I don't like it. I don't like seeing it, but it's there. So I think price might come to this later on. And yeah, so we was also stuck with today's position on NASDAQ, okay? We have gotten an easier entry on NQ instead, futures. Same thing, right? Same thing. This, and then we have to come to like the 50% of this candle, right? The thing is that the position, I'm looking for our entry model we took today, right? It was a false breakup, so maybe like, okay, there we go. So yeah, sort of identical, yeah. Which you usually expect, right? I mean, that's today's position on futures, right? NQ, and then ES would be like the buy factor of S&P, right? Those are still something similar to we had on NASDAQ and S&P. It was more on the low time frame. Not as clear, yeah. I really have to squint my eyes to kind of see it. But say it's yeah, there we sort of have it there, and then yeah, it's okay. We have it somewhere, at least. Yeah. Is there one in the Discord, guys? I hope you guys go in the Discord, yeah. Maybe we can just let this thing do its thing. What's the, is it GQ or something, right? The future for gold. What's the future for gold, guys? Is it this one? Oh no, it's obviously by CME though. Is it G1? I have no idea. Guys, what's the future for gold? Is it GQ? No. Nah, I don't think it is. It's not GQ. What is it? EX? I have no idea. Let's check this. GC. Is this? And it sort of looks similar to what we're looking at on gold, right? Yeah, okay, no, it is. Okay, I think this might be one. GQ1. Yeah, that's what it was. Because it was like GQ something. But yeah, okay, yeah, there we go. There it is. There. Proper. But it was, yeah, GC. Proper, not GQ. But yeah, same thing, properly. Dynamic trend line. I added that to the journal, right? What is dynamic trend line? So I don't think it'd be too different, right? So I'm also training you guys to be prepared for what the futures market. It'd be like maybe an easier transition. Because to me, it sort of looks like the same price action. It's not like vastly different. We see like major gaps and then like a lot of wicks too far. No, it's sort of similar to what we're seeing today on gold, which is good to know. Remember, what other futures are you looking at? Because you said you want to like get into future currencies as well. Which ones specifically? Trader, gonna miss you, man. See you tomorrow, yeah. But yeah, guys, I think that was a proper trading day, guys. I'm not complaining about that. I think we can re-huddle and then do again tomorrow. Yeah. The lovely trade, guys. And no, not lovely trade. Lovely management of our trading day, okay? We didn't really jump in. We didn't jump the gun. We weren't too excited. We took our time, really analyzed, looked at the market properly. There was some position where it may have intrigued us, but then, we stayed patient, so it's really good. Hopefully, we can also follow through with the same mentality throughout the entire week. Okay, guys? Either way, even if the trade went in the reverse direction, I still would have been happy with the trade because proper intro model. So we're going to stick to that and then continue that for the rest of the week. Okay, guys, so we'll come again same time, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will do the next stream. And as always, guys, make sure to be part of the communities, both Discord and Telegram. And yeah, make sure to prepare yourself. We're gonna have the free masterclass, guys, 4th of July. All right, guys. USD futures. No idea what that is. All right, guys. See you, Remy. See you, trader, YouTube. Stay safe, guys. And we will come again tomorrow. And as always, guys, unfortunately, this is real trading.